What's up guys, I'm back. I know you guys have been missing me, sorry for that, but here we are again. So I don't know if you guys saw my last video from my travel to Morocco with 28 Brazilians, one of the craziest travel I made, but it was so nice and so funny. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you didn't saw yet, I really recommend you should go and check it. So in today's video I'm going to talk about this travel and everything you need to plan your travel, explaining how I plan mine. So it's really a pleasure to be talking about this country right now, and especially in this month because it's the month of Ramadan. I don't know if you guys know it, but it's the biggest celebration for the Muslim people in the world. Like 1 billion people almost is doing fasting and celebration this. So okay, to this travel I really recommend you 2 things. First of all, one of them is to organize a group, as I did to Iceland, because I think that Morocco is not the place that you're going to find easily wholesome and make a group of people and everything to travel with. So it's very interesting if you have some friends that want to go and make a group and go with them. And the second thing, I know it's not my type of travel, but take a guide. Actually I like to organize my travels, to make my planning and everything, but this time it's a way better, because actually the price is so good, and what they give you back as a return, it's amazing. Like, wow, it was like mind-blowing. The travel was amazing, and I'm sure if it wasn't for taking a guide, it would be completely different. So I'm taking this guide because a lot of friends recommend me. He do like a lot of groups of Brazilian, so he knows how to speak Portuguese, so it's very nice. So that's why I chosen him, and I will link here, of course. And his name is Mustafa. I contacted him from Facebook. Well, let's go. So we started in Marrakesh, and we did our way to the desert, and in that way we stop in different cities to meet the place and everything, and it's perfect because like that you get into the country, you know, the culture, you have more contact with the people, so the perfect experience I could have in a country like that is like different ways of thinking, totally different cultures. So it was very good. And after that you just have to care with 2 things, 2 important things. So it's the flight, you have to get there. So again, I really recommend you guys to go to Kiwi. Is the best website I ever used it for searching for planes, for flights. And the second thing you have to be worried about is the budget. I have this Excel file that I always do for every travel, so again I will share this one with you to have idea and to organize your travels. So just go in the link I will put in the drive, and here I put everything like the time of the price, sorry, for the transport, for the guide, you can see. So look, wait, look this price for the guide, 150 for 4 days in Morocco, with hotels, with breakfast, and sometimes dinner even included, and night in the desert, walking in the camel, all the transport, like this is crazy, all the guides and everything like crazy. You just have to, like I put here, just a little bit of money for eating in the lunch and having some things to eating during the day, but 150, seriously? It's a very good price. So there is no way you're going to save me. Like, I don't want to take a guide and everything before everything I told you. So please contact Mustafa, thank you very much for the travel, it was amazing. So with the flights, with the budget, with the guide, with your friends, it's done. You have a travel, so it's good. Come on. So in total, for the budget, we have 456 euros that I spent it in this travel. Again, for the experience we had, perfect. Okay, and again, for the guide, he has like other tours. Like if you want to stay more than 6 days, I have the biggest package that he has, like for 6 days. If you want to stay more days there, you can stay. You just have to negotiate on him, and he has like different tours, like for, you know, have you ever saw like the blue city in Morocco? It's crazy, like very nice, and I will show you guys some pictures. And I don't know how to pronounce it. Actually, I can ask someone for that. If you don't know something, you go ask someone that knows. So let's see. You guys get it? Well, Chef Shawi. Chef Shawi, it's a city in the north of Morocco. It's a really nice city. Everything is blue, just like in Greece. Everything is white. In this city, everything is blue. So I didn't have the chance to go because our time was short, but I really recommend it. Really have some times just negotiating him, and you gotta do to that. It will be very nice. Okay, so this is it. Hope you guys like it. I just want to finish one thing. Know that Morocco is the place for negotiation. It's really in their culture. If you're going to buy something, you have to negotiate. Like they have the tourism price and the local price for like every tourism place there they have it. So if they're going to say, okay, this is like 10 euros, you just arrive there, okay, I want to pay 4. It's, well, no, 8, and then 6 and 7 and 6, and then you buy it for 6. It really happened. So negotiate like that, they will like it, and you have better prices. And actually you have to give some tips as well, like every guide and everything. It's good to give like some coins, and it's really in their culture as well. So this is it. I have already talked too much. I don't want to make big videos. Again, if you want to know more about things, about the travels or whatever, or just want to contact me, please do it, because it's a pleasure. And want to really thank for interactions. A lot of people were sending like message saying like the video is so nice and have to continue, so here we are. And thank you very much for these people, like Tejo, one of my biggest fan, let's say. And have some videos might coming up. I'm actually getting better, I guess. I bought a microphone, so the audio should be a little bit better, because the other one was so bad, but nothing to do. But now I hope it's a little bit better, and see you maybe in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.